A very good day to all of you folks. Welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Obake. On this channel, I bring you lifestyle vlogs based on my miscellaneous daily experiences. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And if you don't, oh well, please indulge in any case. Subscription is free, by the way, and your indulgence helps me keep creating more content. Please like the video and hit the notification bell to stay updated for when I upload new videos. Now, take a look at this. Good morning, everyone. It is a start of a new vlog. It is, okay, I'm rushing. Please bear with me. I'm rushing. We are on our way to Port Edward. Yes, we were meant to go to the beach, but then the weather didn't favor us. But today we're like, you know what? Since obviously Port Edward, you know, just to take the kids out, have pizza and ice cream maybe or something. I don't know. So I don't know what the agenda is, but we're just taking them out. This is my outfit. It's this long dress, and then I'm wearing this red techies because I don't have anything else that's gonna look cute. And then I'm going to wear this jacket. I'm about to do that. And then this is my bag. Oh, by the way, secure imali. Umakhulu usongezile imali yokuthengela abantwana into ezimnandi. Besiphiwe usinike umakhulu gave us 200. Besiphiwe enye i200 the other day. Kukhona umzala wamama ebefikile, which is umntamkhulu kubo. Naye besiphe i200. So at least yabo sine 400 izophuma epizza apha nedrink. Mama was paid 200, so I'm going to 200.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so now we've got 400. I come from Zala, best nigga 200 now.
But
Mzala, mama. Lower. So we've got 400. Which 200 is? Yes.
Oh, yes, 200.
Plus 200, yeah. So now we've got 400. Thank you. Okay. Okay, guys, let me put on the duke. I'm not sure which earrings I'm wearing, but yeah, man, the camera and you guys are gonna sing when I'm done. Let me just do that. I had an option, guys, of just putting on my wig. I had an option of just putting on my wig is here. Oh, Sana, you know what? Iwig is not happy with me. I had an option of putting on my wig, but I'm not gonna do that to myself. Well, not usmakoti as per, but in Fumba mom and Fumba girlfriend. Yeah. This is my final look. I'm ready. Yeah. Design me the hopefully every day. I have nothing new there. Ndithanda ukuzibuka ke bethuna xa ndisenza kanje ndiyazibuka kahle kahle. Banzi. Yey, umde nobamde. Molo lubanzi. Molo, izaphi sundibaleka. Hello nana. Ndiphilile njani? Sundibaleka ubaleka ntoni? Molweni emotweni. Ninjani emotweni? Siphilile nathi. Undibaleka ntoni? Iva niklinanga nozibona. Hayi andizukuveza bhuti molo. Ndifuna uveza lo. Guys ngu4 ntambama akakaklini ongezo. Yo khona umuntu. Uchazela ntoni? Hello city mom.
Hey Tol.
Awesome. Sohlambini? Umhle kanje? Oh sana hayi ifoni yami yazi. Ifoni zakubethe. Hello unjani?
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi, I hope you guys are subscribing. I hope you guys are liking. I hope you guys are not skipping the ads.
Because that's how we make them.
Hmm?
Share, like, comment. That's all I know.
Because that's how we make money as which as the
Guys, nakulubanzi yandibaleka.
And like.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like.
Yes, baxelele wena nana.
Say hi, Bantu.
Molweni. Ninjani? Awuvelanga, ivele kuthi. Nangu omnye ufuna iziveza.
Usani sekamereni ulele usebhedini.
Ndicela usana aze azondibulisa okanye ndizawumbulisa ngokwam.
Ebantwana.
Ngoyena mntu ndifuna abone she's never met him.
Oh.
Yay. Bethu nana nangu uCity grandma because ke ango-city mom ku-city grandma.
Ningayigcibi onyama bafini.
Sikwamakazi benanci iredio kamakazi nantsi. Iredio kamakazi iyathetha mamelani. Ndesistory esidlala ngo. Idlala ikhasethi makazi ne? Leya makhasethi. Ndibona uplay up. Leya makhasethi. And iyi video yavela. And iyi video. Siphiwe ii-leeches ke kwamakazi. Kuthi zam no-bay ezi. Abanye baphiwe ama-apile. Thina siphiwe ii-leeches. A whole pack. Sise Debonairs right now. Because umuntu lambile. So we're just waiting for the order. Ubay is still trying to find parking. Then they're gonna join me with the kids. Usmakoti went to Spa. There's a Spa across. And I'm just waiting for the pizza and also keeping the seat for us. Because social other pants. By the way, we are just like in Mobosipi. I think it's a Port Edward. Ushushu Port Edward. Bakona bana namana ona basebefika. Ndinixelela ngamampondo ke mna ke aza elwandle enxibe ijini neebhutsi. Oh amampondo bethuna. Neekawusi neejezi nezikhafu. So okay, this was our beach trip. We've spent 30 minutes now and so it's been 30 minutes at least. So now we're going back to the car. At least ndibazisile elwandle but they can't really swim. Anyways, kubanda endlini. Apha it's a little bit warm. It's not as cold but it's starting to get windy because it's 4 o'clock guys. Literally 3 minutes to 4 o'clock. So no, yeah, but the kids, they wanted to go into the water. And you guess it guys sing up because the weather is being out for me. And that is why I went with the Duke look. I was like, hi, ndiyojonga nje i-views andizobe ndifakana ne-wig mna, but I think I like this look. Sekwamalumekazi ke ngoku guys sifike malumekazi le yakho benixhelile okanye ithengiwe. Oh okay, but sifike kubhrawe inyama yakho so sizotya ngoku. Oh, use-Port Edward mos apha ne? Yeah, sise-Port Edward ngoba we are on our way home. Oh, thank you but yonke ndibe ka? Okay.
Enzela ukwazi
kwazi uyisika ne? Oh okay, hayi ungasikela ke but ndikubambisa. Oh right, okay, siyabulela. Inyama kuthiwe mayiziswe kum because ndim umuntu othanda inyama guys. Yo Anna yazi chatani. Obey is exposing me during the people. Uthi nikani nange umuntu othanda inyama abona ukuthi usimakotshela seyihluthi ndiyambona nje udino nodino. Siyaphuma kwamalumekazi ke ngoku siyagoduka. Living at this time. Good morning everyone. Guys, the time right now is, I'm using the front camera, it's 5:53. It's not even 6 yet, it's 5:53. I don't know, I woke up early today. I don't know, for some reason I thought it was 6 o'clock, and then I went to shower. So today what we've got church for today, and then we've decided it's not smakoto kubana we want to like cook as like a feast, if you know what I mean. So we had said that we're gonna wake up and cook some foods before we go to church. We'll see what we can do before and what we do when we come back. But now what I'm gonna start with is the basmati rice while I just see what I can chop. I don't know what happened with me. I swear, I saw it was 6 o'clock somewhere. That church starts at 10 o'clock. So we leave here at 9:30. So I literally have about 6 more. I've got about 3 hours because I still need to go change. So yeah, let me start. I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just gonna be cooking. I'm gonna try to show you, but at the same time, vlogging can delay the process. So maybe I'll show you guys the final product, but in between I'm gonna do my best just to, you know, show you guys. But one thing I am sure about is you will see the end product. Yeah. I can't believe I did this to myself. And if we're going to pay, it goes on Sunday, and I can say, what is so early? And it's 5:30. Yo, son. But yeah, let me cook. Good morning. Morning. Asakhona amandla. Ukuthwala izinto eziva kanje. Okay, now off record. Couldn't be pause the phone. And then what do I do now? Or continue? Okay, guys, sine air fryer enye eyesibini. Usimakoti uze air fryer yakhe awayegiftiwe xa echatayo. Ndiqibona ubonisa wings. Wings apha. Oh, the reason why she's bringing that air fryer is because senza amazambane nge-air fryer nezi wings zizoya air fryer because Uncle City couldn't fix the oven for us. He tried shem, but no, akuhambanga kakuhle. Apparently funeka kuthenge isitovu esitsha, so ke ngoku sidepende apha kwi-air fryer. Let me show you what I've done already. Okay, wait. So, rice, basmati rice. Dude, please don't ask me. And then your request, green beans. I didn't notice that's not mayonnaise. They added just a little bit, but it doesn't taste bad. You can taste.
Really?
Let me know, because that's where we see sitting mayonnaise.
The soup.
Koyeka indaba yesoup. Yazi yini ngicela indaba yesoup, please. It doesn't matter, just for taste. Does it really need?
It's nice, but it could use a little bit of mayonnaise. But
So-
it's nice, the flavor.
So even if I see for money, we can still do with it, ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, it's not going to be a train smash if we don't
That's
find
a
the
good-
mayonnaise. But obviously,
If possible. So masi ede ke kula list yethu mayonnaise ne soup. Guys, mna xa yazi soup. Oh yes. Guys, yazi inina aniyazi lo sisidaye unento ne content qha ke akathanda uziveza. But sekusaziwe umama unomakoti abazi content creators. Ndicela istory sesoup ngenye imini, guys. It is also in here. Oh, hi Dapsy. Molo Dapsy. What time is it now? Okay, spinach ngasingakasibuyi asihluphi. Ulalela ndoni? Usensani? He's going back to work after this day. Oh, siyarekhod ngam. Apheka sileqa.
Mna ndenza ibutternut.
Sileqa imbonisa sezivuthiwe.
Usisi wakho wenza ispinach. And then uthi mandikubonise sezivuthiwe. Let me fix the camera.
I've already said good morning. We are on our way to church now. The time is 9:07. Change of izinto. Utata uthi icawe ngena ngo9. Mna benenze imistake ndathi ngena ngo10. But siyaphuma ke ngoku. It's 9:08 right now, but it's not far away too. I'll show you guys the outfit. And as I'll probably take pictures this back up, but yes, and then yeah. And by the way, guys, this dress Amish, it's the first time I don't know after how many months. We're waiting for someone to open the gate for us. We don't have a remote. Okay, there we go. She bought this dress for me, Sana, a while back, and it's my first time wearing it. So I'm driving with the kids. Today. Daddy's gonna drive he's gonna drive by himself, or maybe with his brother, I don't know. Because song is late. But yeah, we've just arrived. We are 20 minutes late. There's 3 cars here already. Diniqibile tata. Seniqibile. Oh, enkosi papayini. Papayini na. Kutheni izimbini ezikamama nje. Umuntu eyo. Sasa.
No, imikhamba nini na? Wazi noba
Sama ngomsomnye thina.
ngomsomnye. Yo, uyovocelwa ngoba.
Andiyazi. Yazi baba umfishane funa ndende ndigobe.
Ungajwayeli.
Yo, papa iso seFrance City. Iminyaka ihambile. Okay guys, sesihamba yazi iphelile icawe. Siyagoduka ngoku sizayogqibezela upheka ke ngokuthina sebeyasishiya yonke into. Yo, yes nana. Usimakoti decided to make breakfast while we're still cooking supper, lunch. So we took the wings from the ones that we're gonna be using for lunch, made cucumber, baked beans, eggs, tomato. Usafraya mushroom ke. I'm not sure if izobasangena up because now everyone is hungry. They can't really wait. The spinach done. Beetroot done. Can't forget feta cheese eninzi, but it is busy kakhulu in the kitchen, by the way. So and then was nonibonisa, but yeah, these 2 are done now. Usimakoti ugqibezela ithanga, and then chicken wings ziready nazo zazikhuphela kwibowl yazo. Guys, finally sigqibile ukupheka. The time right now is 15:05. 15:05 since bengiqale ngo5. Yo 10 hours yonke. I know there was a break in between, and also there was breakfast. But anyway, let me quickly show you guys. There's basmati rice, roasted potatoes. I did not peel my potatoes because I didn't have time. And also these potatoes, guys, are from the garden. That's why it's in, but I washed them. And then here we've got the green beans and tuna salad. And then we've got beetroot with feta. Up we've got spinach. Up we've got butternut. Up we've got chicken wings. Didn't as far air fryer because I couldn't grill them. There's gravy, and then there's my beef. Lamb stew. But lamb stew. But anyway, guys, I think lamb stew. I think that's what I asked for, if I remember correctly. So yeah, finally we're done. So ngoku kuzophakwa. I just need to bring the drinks. Yeah, bo. Just need to bring the drinks, and then abantu batye, and then sohlala apha etafileni apha sitting room because asizigona sonke apha etafileni. There's about 11 of us today. So yeah. Okay. I got distracted. Yes, Nana. Now you out here thinking about dessert? Seriously? Okay, let me move. Because it's falling off now. both, yeah. Most guys, and I'm not giving old Makoti vibes. I saw because I got since 5 o'clock, you know when it took me as boost, why was this? Since 5 o'clock and you're still going strong. Let's just see Bopinja. If you lose because ouch, because guys, it's a you're peg. Oh, baby, was a briar panda. So, what's my god? Which must valid? Never city must be so mama. And then what's my god?
This is like, give me to teach you. You are even better. My controls. Oh,
I got it out completely.
in the no way.
It is they are forced and as a component.
I think if never we Sundays. And then it keeps on going back.
I want to say beach when you come up with my girlfriend. She was like at the beach and I was like the time and the phone bang Marco like and my girlfriend. They are like a cool and say cool.
They will shoot and I was just like Sana apa makwata was hanging a week, but we're doing this thing.
And I was like, "I'm funny week." But remember, I said it was dear fan day, Kabeli clear soon, so let me just enjoy it. And this will be 10, but anyway.
Hopefully, hairlines that are still intact.
In the phone, you guys need to set up.
Oh,
yeah, now she's thinking.
Then the city can logo as not that's about I'm and I can eat.
Mom's a girl,
people. Cut the cameras. That is. What the gay? It's the end of the day. Ude ube lapha uzengabani.
Ngomama if mama wengekho azalunya nakhe. Yabo mama ngingazange ndibe lapho.
Uyazithandekisa amjonke.
Yakala kumama yonke lento le. Yakala kumama.
Yosana angiyazi wena into leqhili.
No,
joka la sink.
Right like cream.
Let me hide it, guys.
Oh, la cupboard. Guys, la cupboard layana, it doesn't bother me because you're pulling with little human. La cupboard be right until little human or figure. I'm a mistake though. So I think for me, like I've been vlogging, it doesn't bother me because at least I know what happened. And I know but it will be fixed at some point.
Anyway,
at least I'm
after hours and hours.
That's why.
And hours. And hours of cooking. We're finally done. And let me just say, I want to thank my mom. I want to thank my dad. And everyone who knows me. Guys, got that. I couldn't listen to that. That's all I'm going to say to you guys. Like, oh, KFC. Honestly, it would make so much sense for me to just eat KFC and sleep.
What do you want to tell guys? It's okay. What are we gonna do while we're waiting? She's like, what must we do? So long.
Now I'm gonna drink coffee and
10. You said something about the thing.
Listen, guys, we're gonna prepare dessert. Like we're not gonna prepare dessert. We're just gonna make things.
I am. Say it out loud.
I'm gonna prepare for dessert, but I'm not gonna prepare for dessert. I'm just gonna take out izitya zento ze-dessert yabo zihlale zingaphandle so that when we're done eating, but are we gonna eat dessert straight after?
There's too much food. I've just shown you guys. We're not gonna have
I feel
dessert
like
immediately.
why dessert?
Why breakfast was too much.
Oh yeah. At this point, I don't want food.
Umyeni wakhe nobhuti wakhe. Umyeni wakhe nobhuti kamyeni nomnye ubhuti kamyeni bayabraya.
So again. So okay, why should we make it dessert? I don't think it is necessary at this point. Around 9.
Around 8.
This is 9, there was any energy for around that time. 6, it's too much.
Guys, we made a feast. We just felt like Ndoni, can't you sense a feast? Like Nje,
we
like sense. We did all of this for you, Uncle City. for Uncle City basically, so that ayazi abone benefits zoba nomfazi asiphathele usimakoti. Yabo, this is for you Uncle City.
Kuzosho nami ngibe nomakoti omncane.
Uzaba ngusisi, sophakathi la uma usithi ngigusise emntwini. Uncle City, this one is for you.
Yeah, guys.
So okay, sizama ukubonisa uba kwenzeka ntoni xa unomfazi. Umfazi can make things possible. So mhlambi le nto le feast will make you think.
Hope.
Yabo. Besithembisile khumbula. He promised us. Akhumbula ngoba sibuza sithi Uncle City ngweqha lo ungena, because we're saying 3 couples and 1 uncle. But hi guys, soon.
Next year.
Not even next year, I'm just saying soon. Yabo. Asingayibekela next year. Maybe just soon. Yabo. Guys, I think ndiyayivala mina kwale vlog here. Let me okay, what I'll do is guys, sorry, I'll show you mhlambi plate. Yes, Nana Isa.
My present is full of clothes, but I already have clothes.
Okay. I'll buy you you said you want what? A drone?
Yeah.
I'll buy you a drone, ne? Uncle Avio will buy you a drone, ne? He promised to buy you a drone. You must remind him, ne? Yeah. Okay. Bye bye again, Nana. And invite a drone. Bye bye again, Nana. So guys, what I was saying is I'll probably show you a plate. There's no need to show you a plate, guys. No, there's nothing to show you anymore. Didn't look what we made, ne? I don't remember, but I know it's 8 dishes. I've shown you that part. Obey by a braya pandle, but layana it's for snack for later. And then usmakoto on the dessert. Mhlambi ke, I'm not gonna show you what's in the
I think it is in Pumila.
Hi.
Like in the realizing walk when you see about no is I think I'm done. That's it.
Mama says it's thank you.
Being like your home.
Oh,
Guys, no.
Bende from tomorrow on the diet.
What if it's like ice cream it is eating in a custard window in the homes? Yo guys, nani ni abona but really smile.
Actually, yes, because yana ibu. But mama was actually she was saying zilenge.
I don't think so. I think so. Why mama as you can see. Because I know once we eat, energies will pay.
But also I know once we eat, also about the energy of packaging. One thing about her, it is that. Okay. Kahle.
Blame it on the baby.
But guys, let me close the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like the video, share, and comment. Until the next time, you guys take care. I love you so much. Mwah.